girls broke the state record. They shot 1,008 pins for a 5-woman team, which is now the new state record for one game.
I'm proud of this whole team. I've grown up with this whole team. We've all grown up together.
I think it's pretty cool, especially since out of this entire group, I've been bowling for the least amount of time and I've known them for the least amount of time, but everyone in the bowling community has been super welcoming, and I think it's so cool that all the schools have a bowling team. And I think it's a great way to meet new people.
We all grew up bowling at a young age. I started when I was 6. They all started when they were younger. And so we, again, like Sierra said, we grew up together, so we knew that there was going to be bowling at high school, and we all fell in love with the sport, so we decided to stick around with it, and it got us here.
Without these people, I don't know who I would be today, especially without bowling. And you get to meet people from other schools, like South, for example, and West. We have so many kids that we're friends with there, on the boys' team, on the girls' team, varsity, open. Like, it's such a great way to meet new people and explore opportunities with new people.
They give out scholarships all year long, so they're constantly thinking about us, the youth of this state, and it's really awesome the way that they do that.
We get 0.25 PE credits for every season we do.
Students can earn scholarship money for being a good bowler, and which would help go to college.
You don't need a whole lot of effort to get into bowling. I mean, we do this competitively, we do this as part of our livelihoods, but if you're just looking for a fun pastime or a time to hang out with your friends and get the PE credit, this is a great way to do it. I mean, it's one practice a week, you have one match if you're on open. It's not a huge time commitment, but it gets you out here. It gets you the physical exercise, and it gives you the community that you're going to have for a lifetime.
These girls are currently the 3-time defending state champions. They are currently in first place, soon to be 4-time state champions.